Hello friend, this is Paper Kitty. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special share. This is a box opening from BeeBeeCrafts. I will link their information in the description box below, and that way you know where you can get their goodies. They also have a special program for people that have a YouTube channel that are crafters and they have at least 100 subscribers. So you will definitely want to check that out, again, in the description box below. So let's get to it. So exciting. All right. All right. So this is all nice and bubble wrapped. Okay. Got all this kind of tape on it, so yeah, they really do make sure that it is securely wrapped. All right. Wow, look at, doesn't this look like so much fun? Super excited. Okay. So let's start with, what is this? Oh yes, that's that wonderful chain link that I am planning to use for making some charms, book charms mainly. So very excited for that. Let's see, the next thing let me put these up here for a minute and take a look at this here. Okay, look at those fun colors, and I love this box. Let me open this up. It's a perfect size embellishment box. Look at how cute is that? Isn't that pretty? Super, super, super pretty. Let's see what it is. Appreciate though that the packaging of it is all very, you know, well put together, because you certainly wouldn't want, you know, all these little beads all over the place. So let's see. Open. All right, yay. Look at how delicious and fun this is. Oh my goodness, it's just perfect for the charms that I want to make. So yeah, it just has a whole bunch of little, all kinds of things. Look at these little bows. Chunky bows, so cute. And this little roses. So cute. These are a little bit bigger roses. So these are smaller by a pinch. I don't know what the measurements are. And then these are like little blocks. Sorry for the glue in my fingers. I tend to have that and I forget on my videos sometimes when I have to amplify the view. You can sometimes see the very fine details. And you might find some glue there because I'm always gluing. Gluing is when I'm most happy. Okay, look at these. These are pretty. There's different kind of little balls, you know, little like round beads, and these are like 3 different sizes. So this is like a small, medium, and large. And then, you know, like these little flowers like this, all kinds of different little flowers. Oh look, this is like a little candy shape. Isn't that pretty? So pretty, little candy shape. And then you got, these are a little bit bigger, little flowers, and then these hearts. Oh, they're so pretty. I'm super excited to make some book charms. Are supposed to be these beads. I believe the kit that they send you is with these little hair bands, which I don't know that I'm going to use the headbands necessarily. I may use them for something. I may make them like headbands, but that wasn't the intent. The original intent when I picked those was to make the book charms. And I do like that they have, that it's a kit because it comes with that little box that's dividing them all up really cute. It's got this tiny little scissor, and it's got the little findings like the jump rings and the little lobster clasps. So love that. Even has like a little earring finding there too, in case I wanted to make earrings with it, but I'm not sure that I wanted to really do that. And then this was just sitting in here, so not 100% sure what it is. I don't know, it looks like rabbit ears like this, and then it looks like a kitty cat this way. Not really sure what this is from. Maybe, I don't know, it's a freebie or something. And then it's got this, this like, it looks like a vinyl wire, something like that. I'm sure it's for jewelry making, but I'm probably going to use some of the products that I have in order to make the charms, you know, the way that I like them. So I may end up using that for something else, but anyway, really love that. I'm going to put it to the side here and show you the rest. Here is, okay, these are a lot bigger than I thought, which is fine because I didn't know what I was going to get, and I did want to try out something different, so I might end up doing something even different than what I was thinking, because I didn't realize that they were this big. But again, you know, it's not anything bad. I actually do like them this size, now that I think about it, because some of the large tags that I'm making, I'm gonna put some fibers through that, and it's a little bit better when they're not so tiny. So I really love these, and I love that they come in all these different colors, because I'm making a tag flip, and so I wanted to put these more heavier duty, I want to say grommets, but they're eyelets. And also, oh, okay, so they do have a couple sizes here, because see, they have the, oh, this is cool. Okay, so they have this bigger size, and then they have the, like a more normal size that I'm used to. Okay, so that's interesting. I don't know if I'm going to use the bigger ones or the normal size now. But either way, I'm excited. I'm excited to receive it. I love that they're all like these different fun colors, because they totally go with, like I said, what I'm working on. So it'll be exciting to show you in the next few videos what I make with these products. And then instead of having the crocodile, this actually is a set. It's like a little kit, and it actually, I'm gonna have to probably look at some videos to see how it works exactly, because I don't really know exactly how it works. I have an idea, but you know, and I'm probably gonna try the crocodile on these as well, just to kind of see the difference. But either way, I wanted to try this, because sometimes I don't like the way my crocodile works, and I'm sure it's probably more that I'm not doing something right, probably. It's possible. And so, but anyway, I'd like to have another option. And when I saw that they had this kit, I was excited, because I thought, well, not only do I get these colorful eyelets with the different sizes, but also a different way to adhere them or attach them. So now okay, so have to pause there for a minute. I'm coming back to you. These are some punches that I am excited to use, because I love making embellishments, And so having the different size hearts, I'm excited about that because yeah, this gives you 4 sizes, and so I love that because then you can kind of stagger them or layer them up. And I know a lot of times people have the actual like die cuts of it, but sometimes when you're sitting in the living room with your family in the evening and you don't want to take out your big Sizzix or whatever, you just want to grab a piece of paper and start punching. And so that's why I got these, because I felt like for making embellishments, you know, mainly also, like I said, if you're just sitting around and you want to have something busy to do, you can put this, you know, by your family room there and punch out some scraps. And that's another fun way to use your scraps instead of throwing them away. And so yeah, that's why I got these. So yeah, BeeBeeCraft, good job. They actually send you about $40 worth of merchandise, and then you have to do a video, or actually it's 3 videos if I remember correctly. So I gotta go check the instructions again, but I believe the first video is like the unboxing, which is what I'm doing now, and then I think that you have to do 2 more videos showing the way you've used their products. So very excited to start working on these, and so I will be coming to you hopefully soon and show you what I've done. If you like this video, be sure and give me a thumbs up. If you would like to subscribe, be sure and press the subscribe button. Love you so much. Love you so much. See you in the next one. Bye now.